Hi everyone, we're going to discuss the polar equation and graph by hand. The first thing we notice is this is not in terms of sine or cosine. So what I'm going to do is divide everything by cosecant here, each term by cosecant. And you probably saw this in identities when you did your trig identities. And what happens here is these two cancel, and that equals 1, that equals 1, and this equals sine. So basically what you get is r equals 3 over 1 minus sine. Alright, so basically it's already in our format, which is nice. This is the last one. And we have EP over 1 minus E sine of theta. My EP equals 3. And my E is 1, and therefore my P is 3. Since my E equals 1, this equals 1, that means this is a parabola, and the directrix, since this sine is parallel to the polar axis and is, this is your units, 3 units. Since it's sine, that's like your y, it's up or down, so it's going to be below or down, below the pole. Alright, so basically let's graph this. And we get the directrix is 3 units below. 1, 2, 3. There's your directrix. Here's your pole. And now to find the points here, what I'm going to do is use my equation, which is r equals 3 for 1 minus sine of theta. I'm going to plug in 3 pi over 2. So we know this opens up, and we know that this is the focus here. So to find the vertex, I'm going to plug in 3 pi over 2, because that's below the pole is 3 pi over 2. So sine of 3 pi over 2 is negative 1. So you have 3 for 1 minus a negative 1, which equals 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 is 1.5, which is right here. And actually you could have just gotten it by looking, because remember on parabolas, the vertex is the midpoint between the focus and the directrix line. So this is 3/2, comma 3 pi over 2. Now let's get the width of this. Let's plug in 0 angle and pi over 3. Pi. So 3 over 1 minus 0. So this is going to go out, because sine of, let me write this out, sine of 0 equals 0, and sine of pi equals 0. So basically we get 3 each time. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and it opens up, something like that. And is there anything else we need to get? No. So we're good to go, and thank you guys, and have a nice day. The next videos I'm going to be doing is basically converting, let me read it properly. I'm going to be converting each polar equation into rectangular equation, and it's going to be in the form of a conic. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.